You're watching How Leap. Let's see how to get a satellite view of your house using Google Earth. First, install the Google Earth app on your phone or visit earth.google.com on your computer. Open the app or website. Use the search bar at the top and type your full address, including city and country. Press enter or tap the search icon. Google Earth will fly to the location. The default view is often a top-down satellite image. To get a different angle, use your mouse or touch controls. On a computer, hold the right mouse button and drag to tilt the view. Use the scroll wheel to zoom. On mobile, use 2 fingers to pinch and zoom, and swipe with 1 finger to pan. To see a 3D view, ensure the 3D button is enabled in the toolbar. Not all areas have detailed 3D imagery. For the most current image, look for the date stamp in the bottom corner. Google Earth imagery is updated periodically, but not in real time. You can also use the historical imagery tool on the desktop version too. See older satellite photos of the same location. This is a fascinating way to see how an area has changed over the years. For more simple mapping tutorials, subscribe to the channel.